Hi, this is Brandy Champeau with Exploring Expression, and welcome to Product Spotlight. So this is the series where I share some of our favorite things with you. I share some of our favorite stuff, and let me start by saying that if you like these, make sure to hit your notifications and subscribe, and all of those things that you need to do to make sure that you don't miss a single one of our product spotlights and all of the other great content here at Exploring Expression. So today we're going to talk about a game. It's by Smart Games, and it's called Color Code. Now, if you know anything about us, you know I'm all into game and game schooling, along with the other opportunities for learning that my children and I do. And I came across this one recently, and it's absolutely fantastic. It's so interesting and takes it to a whole new level. So what you do is you get this little book. There's your book. You get this interesting looking thing. And then you get all of these. Now I'll just take some of them out. All of these little clear discs. And they all have different colors and different shapes on them. See that? And they're clear in some places. And your goal is, I'm going to put my camera down a little bit so you can see what we're doing right here. So you take your book, and it has several levels. So there's starter, which are green. There's junior level, which are orange. Expert is red. And then master is purple. And yes, in the very back of the book are all the solutions, but we don't want to look at those, do we? So what you do is you're trying to make this pattern on this board. This pattern on this board using a combination of these little tiles. So like for this one, see, this is diamond and square. We would have to layer this one and then look for, oh, not that one. Look for the square. And see, the goal is to get this pattern. See that? Now, some of those are easy, like this one. Some of them, look at that, right? And so it's how do you lay these? Do you need to turn them this way? Do you need to turn them this way? Do you need to turn them that way? Sometimes you have to use this white. This is white for a reason, to make this pattern by layering these. So this is such a great spatial logic game. It teaches, not only does it teach shapes, patterns, but it really gets kids and adults, because I'm telling you, I played with this for an hour the other day, thinking about things in layers and in spatial terms. So it's a great game. It's called, let me show you the box again. It's called Color Code. Color Code by Smart Games. And it's a very simple game, but it's complex. Does that even make sense? It's simple and yet complex. So it says on the box, it stimulates visual perception, planning, concentration, problem solving, and flexible thinking. And that it does. And some of these are easy, like I said, and some of them are really complicated. And there are so many patterns that it's hours of fun. And I love it, and the boys love it. It's easy enough. It's easy enough on the green level that a 7-year-old can do it. But if you go to the master levels, it's complex enough that it would be a challenge for a teenager or an adult. So it's something that the whole family can do together. And that's what I always look for when I'm looking at games. I'm looking at, is this something that the boys are capable of doing on their own? Or is this something that we can all enjoy as a family? So this is called Color Code. And like I said, I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know if you get this and you play with this with your family. Let me know how it goes. And until next time, we'll see you later.